Alright guys, let's get it. We out in the rain today with the Bronco. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be week.
Young boy on the beat.
Alright guys, check this out. It's raining like a mug. I ain't going outside. But guess what? Bronco is. We're gonna get it in the rain a little bit. Check this out. Uh-oh. Look at that. Alright guys, let's get it. We out in the rain today with the Bronco. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's go, Bronco. All right. Uh-oh. There we go. Look at that. And it's raining so hard out here, y'all. Where we want them? In the rain. Alright, let's eat. Go across the street, Bronco. Uh-oh, one water bottle. Alright, let's make it across the street. Uh-oh. Come on, Bronco. There you go, baby. There you go. Got you in my sight. Look at that. Uh-oh. Almost got stuck. Let's leave the donut in the smoothie. It's already locked. We fell over. Check that out, guys. Man, my yard is flooded. Go Bronco. Making it through it like a soldier. Like this. And that water high. Let's go, Bronco. Uh-oh. We're going underneath the water. Made it. Hey, let's go, Bronco. Come on, Bronco, let's go. Let's get through that. Man, that thing is like a freaking swamp, man. Literally. We gotta bring Bronco back. It's raining hard, y'all. I know my camera lens is getting wetter than the mud. Uh-oh, come on, Bronco. Come on, you digging. Dig it! Yes, you know, you digging. Dig it, baby. Yeah! Let's go, Bronco. Let's go, baby. Hey! Soldier, boy. One more time, let's go. Uh-oh, digging. Bronco digging, look at that. Bronco is digging. Go for a swim, Bronco. The dog in there barking. trying to get this video on, man. Yeah, leave me alone, dog. Okay. Hey, we got to go over there, man. This camera just gonna have to get wet today, boy. Cause, boy, what I see from here, that's raw. All right, guys, this is my yard, man. Bronco gotta make it through it, though. Let's go, Bronco. Full speed. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Tighten up, Bronco. Tighten up. Yeah. Yeah, Bronco ain't playing with. All right, let's get out of there. Yeah. What's up, bro? What's going on, baby? I'm trying to get it in. We're going mud. Yeah, y'all see that. Bronco getting it in, baby. We even got my partners over there with the big truck, the fast truck. We over there, look, we over there getting it in the garage already. Anyway, that shit cool, y'all. Man, my whole yard is like a swamp right now, guys. Check that out. Let's see if we can climb up on this piece of log over here. Uh-oh, yeah, we made it. Okay. Oh, what y'all want to see me jump off it? What y'all want? Y'all want to see me send it? What's up? What y'all want to do? Let's send it. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it missed it. Hey, we got to go back. We got to go back, bruh. Nah, you got me messed up, Bronco. Bronco, you got me messed up. You got to send it. Let's go, Bronco. Let's go, Bronco. You got to line you up. It really ain't a good lineup, so guess what we finna do? We finna send it jumping over. Watch this. Oh, yeah, let's go, baby. Well, I thought I was finna have to go get in the water. Go get off in there. Look how deep it's in there. All right. Let's go, Bronco. Traxxas Trx4 Bronco, man. It is an absolute beast. Check that out. See a wide angle of that thing. I'm proud of it because, for one, that dirt is soft now, man, from that water. And the Bronco is doing good. I know I'm just shooting the video right here in the water, in my little swamp. But I hope y'all enjoy it, because it's what I do, man. I love RC cars, man. And I know y'all love it too. Swerve through it. Swerve on them. Swerve on them, Bronco. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Swerve on them. Yeah. Swerve on them, Bronco. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, baby. There you go, Bronco. Yeah, you a beast. You know it. You know it. You know I love you. All muddy, guys. Check. Can't really do no burnouts how I want to. see. Uh-oh. Bronco just conked out, bruh. Uh-oh. Hopefully I didn't break the Bronco. Hopefully it just needs to dry off. Not sure. It just went out. So we'll catch y'all later on True Boys RC. Peace.
Show after show, yeah, we do